Hello student, today we are going to perform some yogasanas. Okay, let's see the videos and do accordingly.
Your right leg. Bring your left foot around the right knee corner. Take your left hand back. Stretch your right arm up. Push your knee back using your elbow and hold your right foot. Look back over your left shoulder. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Stay there for a few breaths. And slowly come out the same way. Now the other side. Bend your right leg, bend your left leg. Bring your right foot around the left knee corner. Look back over your right shoulder. Exhale. Slowly come out the same way. Unfold your legs out in front of you. Brilliant.
This is a sitting posture. For this you need to just sit on your mat by keeping your legs straight and try to keep your toes together. Here you need to remember just few things. I basically observed many students when they bend forward, they make the hunch in the back and then they try to hold the toes. So avoid these things. Whenever you want to bend forward, how to bend forward? Always try to suck your belly in. So tuck your belly in always and keep your belly tucked in while performing the posture and releasing as well. So during the whole posture, try to tuck your belly in. And here you need to keep your thigh muscles, the quadriceps inside. What happens whenever we sit, our lower pelvis is that tilt down, so we need to pull it up. So need to keep your suck your belly in, lift your chest up, lift your sternum up always, so you can feel the stretch in your core muscles. And here you need to just raise your arm. Now after raising your arm, always what we try to keep the body down like this. So we need to avoid this here. Now observe, I am trying to bring my arms down first before going down. Here you need to start pushing. Now observe, whenever we push something, we try to keep the chest up. You can feel the engagedness of the chest muscles here. So here you need to just push like you are pushing something. So go forward as much as you can. If you are comfortable here, no problem, but try to go as far as you can. So go far, go far, go far by keeping your belly in. Hold your big toes nicely. So your forward fold should be effortlessly. Many of the students, they try to force, like they hold the toes and they try to force themselves to come forward. It is a wrong way. You can harm yourself. There are many tendons of in your back, so that can pull. So remember always, whenever you bend forward, do not bend forward with the hunchback back. Always keep your belly in, toe in, okay, and then you can try to bend forward. Now here, those who have a very stiff back, how they can bend forward? For them, I will suggest them they can roll the mat, and there is a proper way to sit on the mat. When you roll the mat, do not sit on the front part of the mat. Always sit towards the back part of the mat. So when you will sit on the mat, you will be stable there. You will feel more stable, because if you will sit on the front part of the mat, and whenever you will bend forward, you will slip. So remember, always sit at the back part of the mat. After that, you need to, when you will feel stable there, you will feel the lower part of your buttocks and your femur bone will be on the mat, and then you can raise your arm and then you can try to bend forward. So here you can see my forward fold is effortlessly. I'm trying to bend forward. Second option, if you feel that your hamstrings are tight, so how you can bend forward? Always try to bend as much as you can by keeping your chest up, by engaging your belly inside towards your spine, and then lose yourself. Here you can lose yourself like this, or you can hold your big toe and just try to act like you are sleeping, and let the gravity do their own work. So nature will help you to come down. What happens whenever we feel tense, and so our muscles get contracted, so we need to avoid this. So do not tense, do not struggle during the posture. Keep yourself calm and relaxed, and then just bend forward very nicely. So remember, this time also I am engaging my belly in. So your chest should come down first, not your belly. It doesn't matter what size your belly is. Try to just keep your belly in towards the spine, lengthening your spine up, and after that try to bend forward from here. Okay, no need to pull force here. We observe many times our teachers, they are able to touch the forehead on the shin bone, so avoid this. The main purpose of this posture to keep your digestive system healthy, okay, and strong. So when we bend forward, the pressure should come here. When you will tuck your belly inside, you will feel the compression around your abdominal organs, and it will help you to improve your digestive system. So belly in, and then try to bend forward. We need to engage this, so you will get the more and more benefits.
Pavan Muktasan. Lie down on the back. Bend both the knees. Exhale. Bring both the knees towards the chest. Inhale. Interlock the fingers and clasp the shin below knees. Exhale. Raise the head till your chin touches the knees. Maintain final position for 3 to 10 breaths. Inhale. Bring the head back to the ground and legs back to the floor. Relax in supine position.
Lie on your stomach. Bring your chin to the mat and place your palms under your shoulders. Inhale. Lift your chest. Hips remain on the floor. Breathe. Relax your shoulders down and away from the ears. Press your chest forward. Exhale. Gently lower your chest and bring your chin to the mat. Move slowly and with control. Rest your arms down by the sides. Relax.